We knew that Samsung's working on a pair of smart glasses, but now the company executive Jay Kim has spilled what we can expect when it finally launches. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. While speaking to CNBC, Kim said that more tech companies are now exploring the potential of AI glasses because of the intelligent assistants accessible through the devices. He said, "Everybody talks about what's the next AI device. And I know I've been looking at many different types of devices. Glasses. Obviously, it's one of them and everybody's looking at it." Although Samsung unveiled its own XR headset back in October, now Kim is looking at the potential of XR on glasses, which are much more lightweight than headsets. So they could be worn all day. Kim revealed that Samsung XR specs have an eye-level camera that'll require a connection to a smartphone. That's pretty standard for the best smart glasses on the market at the moment. According to Kim, it's important for the onboard AI to understand what the user is looking at to provide information. And that's what the Samsung smart glasses will aim for. However, he wouldn't confirm if the glasses would have a display or not. Samsung is partnering with Qualcomm and Google in developing this device, and Kim confirmed that it'll be here before the end of the year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icons for notifications.